So guys, I am upgrading my stock keyboard which just stopped working. I went on looking for the cheapest backlit keyboard I could find, and that is how I came across this. It is a fake Logitech gaming keyboard worth $9, and we are going to see if it is worth it. So, the Logitech K846F is a white label since it is also rebadged into the Dell KB-690F, only the packaging and logo is different. Also, it's been rebadged into the HP K550F, same story, different packaging and logo. The packaging is a 10/10, giving it a premium look, and some features are listed. Let's unbox it. The keyboard is safely packed in a soft cover. The keys feel soft, springy, and not very loud. The keyboard is USB wired and has a very long cable, 1.8 meters. On the bottom, the keyboard has a retractable stand and some grip tapes. So next is the setup. Installation is automatic, just connect the keyboard to the CPU and drivers will download themselves up. The keyboard has lights for NUM lock, caps lock and scroll lock, which turns on the RGB backlights. The 12 function keys at the top of the keyboard can be reprogrammed into other functions. Some icons are already labeled on the keys. F1 home, F2 mail, F3 search, F for music, F5 pause play, F6 rewind. F7 forward, F8 reduce volume, F9 increase volume, F10 mute, F11 task view and F12 calculator. So, is the keyboard worth it? My answer is yes. For $9 there's nothing much to complain. I say go for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.